morning, everyone. So we here explain about robot life for our project, but we have made for framework. Then, so let's not take it too long. Start with our team. My name is Abhishek Sutani, and then
My name is Elias Wisnu Pardana.
My name is Nika Ganti.
And for first, it's a problem statement for the component selection. As we know, we bought it in what we have made with a limited budget. And we have to we have to considering about the available component with that little budget. With the price that getting higher these days. So we have to think hard about to not waste our money to a component that we don't need. For the base robot design selection, we have so many designs, but we have to choose the base that can hold all of our components and that can make the robot be stable when it's running or not. And for the gripper design selection, for the gripper, we have two choices for the gripper from the front or from above. For the sensor position, we have to adjust the length sensor position from our design by the level of height that our sensor that we have. For the lower equilibrium, is we can find it by adjust the component position. So we have so many concepts for our component, how to position them in base. For the system requirement review, as always, from the functional, the robot have to follow the black path, the white one, not a black surface. And then the robot have to take and put the obstacles like tree and marbles, and for the additional functional that in this season, the robot must be controlled by a remote or something like that, and then monitoring system. And for the non-functional is the weight of the robot must be under the 3 kilograms, and the robot must be maximum size of 50 and can be expected to train. And for the concept design and implementation, this is our first concept design. This is two main design, but there's more, but this is the main concept. As you can see, the gripper is different. The fact about the gripper is in the first floor or the second floor, and then the other component position is different by this prototype. And for the base shape is different from now because we have to more discussion about this concept design that we have to choose. We have to combine all of our concept design until this final design. Sorry. For the system design, we have main components like light sensor, servo, panel, and then the module, driver, motor design, and battery. Maybe I'll just explain the pin that we use. Like for light sensor, we use a pin A3 until A7, and then for the motor driver, we use pin D6 until 11, and for the servo, for the digital pin, we use digital 3 and 5, and for the boolean, we use X. And for the VCC and ground, as you can see, it's to the VCC and ground too. Don't be wrong, because you will be burned out of your rubber. Next will be explained by Alex.
Okay, here I will explain about the design from the start to final design. The first one, I explain the preliminary design. Here is our first design, where we log reference from previous semester with battery in the back and ESP32 in the second floor. Hardware selection pending first design. We use ESP32 motor DC plus wheel N20, battery NCR, dan sensor 5 channel, motor driver L219A, servo MG19S, and freewheel. In the first design, we were presenting. People give suggestion. The first one, don't put battery in the back, because if you put battery in the back, robot to be heavy at the back. The second suggestion from Mr. Rifki as a Manpro was that the minimum opening on the gripper minimum 19 degrees. So at this critical design stage, on change the design based on suggestions from people and Mr. Rifki, where we battery was placed on the top second floor, and which we previous gripper only 75 degrees, we change so that it could reach 105 degrees. Next, prototype. After we finish prototype, we have problem. We have found problem. Namely, the sensor could not detect in the bottom base. So my team changed position when sensor in on top base, first base, and finish prototyping and problem. My team testing robot with program code RA202 by moving servo and motor DC, and this video result. Okay, final hardware selection. Next.
Okay guys, I will explain about final hardware selection. So the component we are saying as hardware selection, but we change ESP32 with an Arduino Nano, and we add a Bluetooth module. So, and this is draft design and our final design. In draft design, we make some change to the gripper, base 1, base 2, and component position. And in final design, we think the robot runs and the component position okay. So this is our flow chart. The first, the robot starts, and the pin robot and set up pin robot. Terus itu light sensor with sensor 1 to sensor 5 to detect the pet. Terus the manual mode, the robot switch to manual and can be controlled using phone or laptop. If not, it runs automatic program. And we have some action. We have 19 action. This is include move program, gripper control, and arm control. And have the some logic system. When the sensor 1 and sensor 2 active, robot can turn turn left. When the sensor 5 and sensor 4 and sensor 5 active, the robot turn right. And only the sensor 3 active, the robot move forward. So this is our timeline, our group from backlog. And this is our budget plan. I think you might wonder why there is still leftover budget, because we use some component from the last semester. And this is resource management. Natasha as electrical our team, LS Wisnu as mechanical our team, and me Niaga as program.
Okay, guys, the presentation is done. So, any question?
Many times even while diagrams friends. I want to ask something about the set for PCC. I see that it connected to 12 volts. Okay. Can it run properly?
We already tested it with our typing and it works. But maybe if it's your suggestion, maybe we will like change it into 5 volt. But is it works in 5 volt?
Yeah. I thought it will the 5 volt and it worked, but I don't know why. The motor is a bit weird.
The motor is weird. This is weird.
Ya, intinya ini aman. Is it safety?
It works. Because in last lesson we use this too. Wait, I understand. Is it done the same? Any other answer? Any other question, everyone? Is there any other question? Everyone? Counting 1, 2. It's long as it. Thank you for everyone for your attention. And hope our robot getting winner. Our ya guys, bukan solo-solo.